Hi, welcome again with a new video on current crisis of coronavirus. India has passed 1 month under the nationwide lockdown so far. Have we achieved the goals what were targeted? The number of the total cases as on 23rd April is 21,797 and the death rate is 3.15%. These numbers tell us that to a certain extent the targets are achieved. We have seen earlier in the case of Italy, Spain, and now in US what happens when countries react late to this kind of the pandemics. Switzerland, Portugal, and Austria were the other countries who reacted fast and have been benefited. Here is a curve telling us the growth of total cases in the country. Till the end of the March, the total number of cases were only 1397. So the curve is straight flat and then it takes upward trend, but still it is not as exponential as was in Europe and US. All depends on how the states are able to take advantage of the lockdown. In today's situation, it looks Maharashtra, Gujarat have not been so effective in taking the advantage, and that is the reason they are at the top two position. Maharashtra has Pune and Mumbai problem. Gujarat has Surat and Ahmedabad. Both are the places where more and more industries are there. So administration has to find a way how to handle a dense population. States like Kerala, Goa, Orissa, Tripura have shown that if government decides, they can take advantage of the lockdown and control the spread of the corona. The graph here showing the daily new cases has is divided into three parts: blue line, green portion, and the red. Blue is the initial phase when the cases had started adding up, green where there was a spike, and now red where there is an advantage of the lockdown visible, but this can extend only if other states also act in the similar fashion to control the corona. The green lines and the orange line in the right hand graph are showing how the cases have closed. The green line shows the case is closed by the recovery of the patient. Orange line shows by the termination of the patient. Wider this gap, better is the control on the treatment. We can see here that post 12th April, this gap is widening. So another positive sign for the country. Second most populated country, India, so far has only 22,000 cases. This gives us a confidence. But does this number tell us that we should be proud of it? Because there are many people, those who say that we have not done enough testing of our population. India so far has done 500,000 tests, which is more than what France has done in totality. But if I convert this into a statistical number, a ratio, tests per 1 million population, the France has 7,100 tests per 1 million against India only 363, which tells us that we have tested only 3 persons out of 10,000 population, and this number may not be sufficient. It may happen when more tests are done, the statistics can change and we may be shocked. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe the channel. Thanks again.